and make some. Hey beautiful, good afternoon. So today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys our afternoon routine. So whenever it's warm outside and the sun is out, we go straight to the park, get the kids moving, and just to get them out of the house. And I'm so glad we did this day. We went to the park because the next day, boom, snow. So we stayed a good time at the park, a good while. After that, we came home, I made some lunch. So I made tacos. So these are chorizo tacos. I go in, cook the meat, add some avocado, rice, and then we go in with some vegetables. I just add some tomato to the avocado, cook the rice. The chorizo meat is freaking bomb, you guys. And then of course we have to add our greens. Then we all sat down, chismead, just talked, spent some family time, which is my favorite time. I love it. And I know Jade's always naked, but I wanted to capture the moment. So I also cooked tres leches cake, you guys. I was so freaking excited. I asked you guys and I was like, hey, you guys know any recipes? And you guys sent me so many. So I will be doing a dedicated video separately to show you guys how I made the tres leches. And now I'm never going to buy a tres leches cake because I'm like, oh my God. Are you serious? For the amount I pay for a little slice of cake and I can get a full pan? Yeah, I'm never gonna buy a freaking tres leches slice of cake for the amount that I have, you guys. It was ridiculous. So, safe to say, the kids loved it. All right, I'm gonna get to cleaning our seats. Got some dirt. I'm gonna go in with my basil, whatever. I will link it down below. I love this little thing. It's really easy. Fill it up with the solution and water, and yeah, get to it. So whenever I'm on a roll with cleaning, I try and take full advantage of that energy and try and do everything I possibly can. So I'm deep cleaning the freaking kitchen and the couches as well. So with this, I always do this every week just because it can get dirty so fast. And the kids, even though they always want to place blame on Jade, no. It's just very easy to make messes. Like, come on now. You sit down, you eat, you know, and tres leches. Now, since I know how to make that, just whatever type of eating, things are going to get dirty, you know? So I always try to do this once a week just to get everything cleaned, out of the way, and it literally smells so good, you guys. So it's definitely worth it. And it's very rewarding after you finish and all the cleaning is done. It just feels really, you feel good. You don't feel like, this is dirty. You can see a stain and, you know, continue to sit on it. I don't know, maybe that's just me. But yeah, once a week we get it done. Now this does spray a lot to the side, so definitely make sure that you have a towel so you can, you know, clean up the mess and everything. But it's not that big of a deal where it's like, oh my gosh, it's getting wet everywhere. No, just clean it up with a towel. And the couches is even easier. So yeah, I'm gonna stop talking now so you guys can enjoy the process of me cleaning. I got these ones down. Boom, 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 boom. And then I got 2 more to go. And this is how dirty it was. So we're gonna go over it a couple times until it comes out clean. Definitely on days like this where there's a lot of cleaning involved, make sure you are taking your breaks, and if you need a little moment to just sit down and relax, please do. Don't overwork yourself either. All right, so these are drying. I'm so excited about that. Now I'm going to do these ones. I cleaned this last time. This didn't come out. So if you guys have any hacks on that, let me know. And any of like these paint too, we got it from my sister, so let me know if you guys do. So yeah, let's get to it. All right, so I like to move everything out of the way, go in and sweep everything, because I feel like the kids tend to go overboard and try and stuff everything. Now they do have their chores as well, but on days like this where I just want to get it done and just hurry up, I just do it myself. I know, super bad, but I just feel like if I were to wait and be like, all right, you guys, come on, get it done, I wouldn't be able to be vacuuming right now. So days like this, I just tend to do it myself just to hurry up, get it out of the way, get it done, because I feel like sometimes, you know, kids like to take their sweet times, but they do have their own chores. So if you guys want to see a video on that, I can do that for you guys, because I know some of you guys were curious, like, Lex, you have a lot of babies and they're, you know, they're pretty big. What do? And they do their part. So yeah. Anyways, and I love cleaning and I love cooking for them, and you know, it's a healthy medium. Anyways, I'm just deep cleaning the couches, and again, smells amazing after, like it literally does. And I just feel a lot better that I can put my face on it, you know, like just in case if I fall asleep on the couch, you know, old lady status, I'm good because I cleaned him, you know. Alrighty, all done. So I just leave them like this and don't allow anyone to come and touch them at all until tomorrow. So leave them overnight to dry, so there's no more stains or anything like that, and everything smells fresh and clean. We did apply the Scotch Guard. I think that's what it's called. Correct me if I'm wrong, please. But nicely, please. So it helps protect it. So I was really happy when Babe was like, hey, let's do this. So I was like, hell yeah. So hopefully it helps and the kids don't stain them as much. So this is a little self-care moment. My little mamas and Andres come in and they're like, Mom, we're breaking out. And it just, because they're getting big, y'all. So we're just doing the nose strip. They're just getting so big, you guys. I get so emotional. And always give your babies kisses, you guys. Even though you're like, oh, they know I love them, tell them anyways. Kiss them, love them. Who cares if they know? Tell them.
Let me close over some privacy. Okay, so this is how the hair is looking. I gotta get my tiptoes. We're gonna dye our hair with the L'Oreal. So this is the shade Magenta.
So remember what I said about self-care? Make sure you do it. So sometimes when I'm feeling like, and just really emotional, I always try to tune it out with cleaning. But I like to do like some self-love for me too. So I dyed my hair and I have a full video on that, on how I went from my previous color to the color that I have now. So while it's chilling, I'm gonna start cooking and get things ready. Now this is not dinner. I know you guys are like, what? We eat a lot, you guys. There's so many of us. So the kids have been wanting me to try to make these enchiladas, Mexican style. So Rodolfo's tia makes some bomb enchiladas, but she never wanted to give me the recipe, you know. So I was like, wait. So the kids found a recipe and I made it, and yeah, this is it. I was like, ooh, okay. So I made them, and I honestly was really surprised on how they came out, you guys. I was really like tooting my own horn, like toot toot. It's kind of similar to the enchiladas that my mom showed me, but different because you make the sauce from scratch. Now since I've had the sauce this way and I know how to make the enchilada sauce, this is another thing where I'm like, I'm not gonna make it like this no more, because it tastes so freaking good, you guys. My mouth was watering, and the kids were like, oh yeah, I like your mom, but I like yours better. Now I don't know if they said it just to make me feel better or if they really just, you know, got used to the other style that I made. But I make the other style later on for dinner. But I did make this for a little snack, and well, it's not even a snack, you guys, it's a meal. It was really, really good. So if you guys have any recipes on your favorite way how to make enchiladas, please let me know down below. I'm gonna chew my horn because these were bomb, y'all, with queso fresco inside. It is so good, especially for breakfast. Ooh, it was amazing.
Okay, so here is how it looks after I've dried it. I think it looks really, really nice. It's not too red. I was kind of scared that it was gonna be like a fire red, but I'm glad that it came out like a magenta red. Hence the name Magenta. Alrighty,
so I'm gonna attempt to do Mija's hair. Sometimes when she has a good distraction, she'll let me, but Mija's so tender-headed. She'll let me do it sometimes, but not all the time. Let me show you guys a quick flashback. Baby Jane just got out of the bath.
So now I'm gonna do her hair. I'm going to do her hair and you guys will see it only lasts like what, maybe like an hour or two. She hates for anything to be in her hair. She's like so tender-headed. Come here. Let me finish your hair. Jade, come here. See, she was letting me, but then she started like crying. She don't like her hair messed with. A ver, Ben. Come here. Jade. Come here. Jade! Oh my gosh.
So can you guys let me know? I just let her have it. I sat there a minute, then I was like, all right. So I went to work. So I did an unboxing, and this is just me showing the up close frame parts, and this takes a good like 2 hours of doing that and showing and then editing. So editing takes a good minute. So I'm in here while the kids are doing their work, playing video games, cleaning, and mama is here at work just jotting down everything. If you guys want to behind the scenes of like making videos, I would love to do that for you guys. So if you have any questions, leave them down below. It's a trip seeing myself editing while I'm editing. But anyways, as I was going through the footage, you guys, this was actually 4 hours. 4 hours. Well, I'm like, dang, girl. Sometimes when I'm stuck in the beauty room, you guys, it really trips me out how it feels like time is going so slow. But in reality, boom, it's like the day is gone. So I'm finishing up doing this video and then I throw in a load. I know this is my least favorite thing to do. I know. I hate freaking laundry. I hate it. I just wish I didn't have to do it. But I threw in a load. I always try to do two to three loads because it adds up very, very quickly. It's insane how quick it adds up. It really trips me out. So I still had a lot of editing that I need to finish up, but I thought, hey, because I always get distracted. Let's get comfortable and let's start decluttering. So I put a hold on the freaking editing, you guys, and I got to doing a separate video of me decluttering my makeup room finally. So honestly, it was like 3 videos. So we're gonna have this video right now, me showing you me decluttering, and then no, it's 2. I'm tired. But anyways, I finally decluttered. You guys would be so proud. Well, are you guys proud? Because you guys can see it. But I was actually very shocked of how much I decluttered because the hoarding was getting out of control, y'all. It was getting out of control. So right here, I am just filling out some envelopes because I did a giveaway and I announced the winners. Now, I do giveaways, and I also, if I see you guys are showing a lot of support and you guys are just constantly just, you know, sending me lives, I will hit you up and be like, hey, can I get your shipping information? So that's what I'm doing right now. Alrighty, loves, so my next video will be up soon, and that will be our nighttime routine. I'm so excited to show you guys what we do for our nighttime routine and what we're making for dinner. So if you guys enjoyed today's video, please make sure to give me a big thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and hit the notification bell so you guys do not miss out on any videos that I will be posting. Thank you guys so much for all your love and support. It never goes unnoticed. Te quiero mucho, you guys. Besos a todos, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!